Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here. Did you know that many of the great candidates who go in to take their Excel exam fail? Well, I am here to help you gain those skills and land your dream job and change your life. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. When you're going for a employment test or employment skills test, they may give you a test something similar to this, where on the left-hand side you have sample data. On the right-hand side you have maybe a choice of 10 items that you have to complete within maybe a certain period of time. So we're going to go ahead and start. So number 1 says format cells B4, and the colon in Excel language is the word through, E8 in number format. So I'm going to hold my left mouse button down and I'm going to select B4 through E8, just like that. And the number format category section is up on your home tab. And I want to click my down arrow and I want to choose number. And you can see it automatically puts 2 decimal places in my data there. All right, so we've completed number 1. So now let's go on to number 2. Now it says format cells B4 through E8 with no decimal points. So you're going to select the area again, and this time in the number category again, you have 2 icons. One's called increased decimal, one's called decreased decimal. So if I left click this twice, you can see that it automatically takes my decimal points away. If I left click it again, you can see that it puts them back. So that's the beauty of increasing and decreasing your decimal points. So we're going to finish that one. So now the next one says merge and center rows A1 through F1 with cell styles title 1 heading 1. So the first thing that we want to do is merge and center the rows. So in A1 all the way over to F1, I want to come up to my alignment section, and in my alignment section I have merge and center. So I'm going to merge and center that, and then I'm going to come over to the style section, and in the style section we have a little drop down arrow here, and if I left click on it, you can see it opens up another dialog box with more items to choose. In this case it wants me to do heading 1, which is right here, and I'm going to left click it. So that is styles heading 1. So we're going to complete that one. We're on to number 4. Merge and center rows A2 through F2 with style settings heading 2. So I'm going to select A2, going to come all the way over to F2. I'm going to come over to our merge and center, which is in the alignment section. I'm going to come over to the style section, click my down arrow and choose heading 2. Number 4 is completed. Number 5, total row B8 through D8. So in order to do that in Excel, all you need to do is you need to select this area here, and in your home tab you want to come over to auto sum, and you want to just left click once, and it automatically puts the totals on all of the rows. Now sometimes when you're taking a test, you actually get tested on how many clicks it takes you to do certain things. So I'm showing you the shortcut so that it will alleviate that if that's what they're testing you on, as well as how many times you're actually taking to click here or click there. Shortcuts are always the best when it comes to doing a test. I'm going to select number 5. We completed that. Now it says total column 4 through E8. So E4 through E8 is here. So I'm going to select E4 through E8, and I'm going to do auto sum again, and it automatically sums that column. So now I'm going to left click right on number 6, and I've completed that. Number 7 says format cells B3 through E3 with bold text. So B3 through E3, and I'm going to select those, and I'm going to click on the B, which is your bold text. So I've completed this one, number 7. Let's do number 8. So now it says right align A4 through A8, which means you're going to select A4 and drag it all the way down to A8, And in your alignment section on your home tab, you have left align, center, and then right align or align right. So there you go. We're aligning these guys right. I'm going to select that. We're going to complete that task. Now it says center B3 through E3. So B3 through E3, we want to center that text. In the alignment section, you have the center button, which is right here, the center icon. So I'm going to left click my mouse on that and it's centered. Okay, so the last one, number 10, says fill cells A3 through E3 with light blue accent 1 60%. So that guy is over here in your styles. You're going to click the down arrow and you're going to see accent 1 60% is right above it. I'm going to select that and there you go. That's accent 1 60% light blue. And we've completed our tasks and the lesson is completed. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like what I have, please subscribe. And also, if there's something that you want me to do, in future lessons, by all means, leave me a comment. Peace out.